Do you love being able to walk places? Well, I do. This is Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges, and I have a new listing that's in the heart of Abacoa. You're less than a third of a mile away from Publix, leftovers, tanning, jewelry, pizza, coffee, you name it. Let's go check it out. This 3-level townhome has a 2-car garage and was just freshly painted. Come on in. If you'd like any more information about this gorgeous home or any other in Jupiter or the Palm Beaches, my team would love to help you. Again, this is Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams, and we're making realty dreams a reality. Bye, friends.